Hello. I wanted to give you a quick introduction to how the BizFighter.exe process will unfold during the upcoming PPL class. Because now it's time to do this thing, to practice all of your program leadership skills and techniques in an actual real live, well actually simulated company. So I'm Dave with Prism, and along with Jay Stern from Raytheon, we'll be putting you through the process, guiding you along the way as you run your company. You'll be running an aerospace and defense company in a business laboratory as you practice and try some things out. So you're going to be on a team. It'll be a competition with other teams in the class, and you're going to control your company. You'll set your own estimate at complete, and then you'll run your business. You'll determine your strategy, you'll manage your programs, you'll work with your supply chain, and you'll manage your own workforce. You also take a look at your financial results and manage your annual operating plan for the company. And you'll be running this company for 4 years, with each year being about 1.5 to 2 hours in duration. Again, we've broken the class into separate management teams. At the end of each year, we're going to give you feedback on your performance as a company, whether you want it or not. And we'll also tell you how you did compared to your competitors. Now, to start with, all the teams are in exactly the same position. They got the same profit, the same contracts, and the same endless possibilities. It's what you do from here that starts to make the difference. And we'll let you decide what you want that difference to be and how you're going to execute on that. But on the last day of class, you're going to tell us about what you did. You're going to give us a quick 15-minute presentation, and then we're going to grill you with some questions. We're going to ask you some questions, and we'll give you more details to follow on that process. Really what you're doing as you run this company is a two-step process. Step one is to do your EACs. Adjust your estimates to complete, enter risks and opportunities as you see fit, etc. And we're going to throw some challenges at you in the form of memos that you can respond to and then adjust your EACs accordingly. And then you're going to lock into your EACs and you're stuck with those estimates. And with that estimate of what your total program cost levels will be, what your profit will be, award fees if it's a cost plus, you'll then actually run the company. That's step two. You'll invest in building the company, you'll manage your programs, work with suppliers, manage your workforce, and then the financial decisions that we talked about. And that will complete you running that company for that year. We'll then collect all the team's decisions, crunch through the numbers, and let you know how it played out for that year. And then we'll advance all the teams to the next year, and you'll do it again for 4 years. So here's kind of in a flow diagram what the process is. So you're taking over 3 existing programs, and these programs are already underway. And in each year, you're going to do the the 2 steps. Step 1 is to complete your EACs for each of the 3 programs. You'll receive the memos, read the memos, discuss with your teammates. You can ask stakeholders questions. That will be me and Jay. And then you're going to input risks and opportunities, adjust your estimates to complete, whatever else you want to do. But then you lock in and save your EAC. At that point, you're into step 2. You run your business and execute your plan in BizFighter. So make it a good plan that will destroy your competitors. Okay, so with that overview, you're probably wondering, well, how do I actually win this thing? Well, first you have to annihilate your competitors, and this is how you're going to do that. You're going to do it by focusing on what's being measured and maximizing these metrics while also destroying your competitors. So we're going to measure financial stuff like bookings, cash, profit. We're going to take a look at how predictable your EAC booking rate has been compared to what it actually turns out to be. And then 2, some non-financial things like employee and customer perspective, very important parts of a company's operations. And we'll also measure how your final presentation goes and how your team dynamics have played out. And there are prizes for the winning team, and more to follow on that. So that's a quick overview of the process for you. Your next step is to watch the bizfighter.exe demo video that we've made available to you. So thanks a lot, and we look forward to seeing you at the class.